didn't really have any jam, so I ended up just getting some of the blue agave. That was for the coffee and butter packets.
I love to hear him play body and hold it to me, just send it to you. I love to hear him play body and sound it to know you know. I love to hear him play body and hold it to me, just send it to. Turn it on the record, I just stopped right there. Sounded like a, when I first heard it on the record, I just stopped right there. Sounded like a, when I first heard it on the record, I just stopped right there. Sounded like a,
Saturday, and Kate and I tried something new this morning. Went to New Seasons for breakfast, and I don't think we'll do it again. The breakfast panini that I had was pretty delicious, but Kate's scramble was not so good, she said. So now we're going to, today, actually we're going to declutter, and then maybe make our own Christmas ornaments later. Yeah, not sure what else. It's really nasty outside. We are going to the Goodwill. I'm gonna look for one of those potentiometers.
sounded like a, when I first heard it on the record, I just stopped right there. Sounded like a, when I first heard it on the record, I just stopped right there. Sounded like a, should send it to you.
Well, hey folks, it's Sunday, and Kate and I are in the car again, and we're about to go to a friend's birthday party. It's a pretty cool spot called My Father's Place, and they have games to play. And apparently my friend's supposed to be dressed up as Santa Claus. We'll see. But I'll take some footage.
How you doing?
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
What's up, buddy? I totally walked off and left my ID and my cards, so I have to go back home to pick those up, and then I'm gonna meet Kate back at Home Bar next. So we made it back. Birthday party was fun. And the rest of the day is probably gonna be pretty boring. Kate and I are decluttering the house. So right now we have tons of crap in the living room, and we have to figure out if we want to keep that crap or give that crap away. So that's what we're doing. I've collected quite a few Monocle magazines over the years. I was a subscriber for a long time. And now they're just taking up way too much space. I did this Time Zone Watch School one time. Or still sort of participating in this. I'm currently on the second lesson. It's pretty awesome though. I just printed out all the, oops. I'm like turning to the worst pages. The balance assembly. Anyway, definitely recommend Time Zone Watch School. Here's the second one. Or maybe this was the first, I don't remember. But pretty detailed lesson plan. Yeah, this is level 2 of the class. over the years I've acquired quite a few watchmaking related. This was like a eBay find. Just like lots of technical documentation from some random old watch repair business. I don't even know what else in there. These look pretty cool though. I haven't even been through this book entirely. Alright, note to self, go through and actually see what's in these. Came from Ridgeway Clock Company. Here's more of the collection. Let me know if you want me to look through any particular one. You gotta have this book if you're even somewhat interested in watchmaking. One of these has been signed. This book is awesome. Okay, now we're gonna take a break from decluttering. We've been going for a couple hours now, and we're gonna have some pizza. It's really cold and rainy outside today.